Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Beautiful. Look at this. Not reachable. For you. You will try. Oh my God.
You feel?
Nothing, it felt very natural. So
Yeah,
I guess it's not just me. I think maybe it's in all the tribals. So it was nice. I managed to hit. Maybe I got lucky. But yeah, it was nice. It was a great experience.
You should
Thank so much.
get reward from the KHDC otherwise.
Maybe, yes, you can tell them.
Yeah.
And the culture of the state as a whole. And it has been organized really well. I must congratulate our CEM and the entire district council that has organized this wonderful festival along with the tourism department, government of Meghalaya. And this is something that should be continued in the future also. We are seeing so much of participation from the people. We are seeing so many youth and so many people being in a way getting livelihood through these programs, the different stalls that we have, the different cultural programs, and we're really being able to promote tourism also. So it's a great program, and I once again would like to congratulate the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on this wonderful and a beautiful festival of the Monolith Festival they organized. Thank you. Actually about 2 crores. That, no? Yeah. Exactly how much is it? Approximately. Cyril? Yeah. 2 crores. Yeah. Approximately about 1.5 plus, almost 2 crores of funds has been provided from the state government, from the tourism department, apart from their own investments that they have made. So it's a joint effort, joint collaboration. And as I said, in the future also, we will continue to support so that we can have wonderful programs like this. As I said, this is a great a celebration of the identity and the culture and the heritage of our state and our region.
So you spoke about research. So from when this will start?
It has already started in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, where the district councils, we are already working with them. But apart from that program, and there will always be difficulties we will face. But as I said, as long as our conscience is clear, as long as we are very focused on what we want to do, we keep our people in front for whatever work we do, we'll always find a way. So challenges will be there. There's no state government, there is no organization, there's nowhere in the world where challenges will not come. But it is important to continue with your effort, focused on your goals and your objectives and your vision. And of course, with blessings from above, we're sure that we'll be able to move forward with the wonderful team that we work with, whether it's in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, whether it's in the state government, political leaders and even officials. We will overcome challenges. We will have difficulties, but we will keep moving forward to take us.
1, 2, 3. Oh, come tin sentur pelong ay. 1, 2, 3.
You just send me that.
Bao